In today's tutorial, I'm going to choose how to change or adjust the screen resolution on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher and then select the settings button, where you can search for it as well. And then on the left panel, select device. On the right side underneath device, select display. And now over here on the right underneath your display settings, there should be an item that says resolution. Click the drop down and you can select a different resolution from the list. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that will help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.